Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove or delete extensions from the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the menu icon up at the top right corner of the browser window, where if you hover over it, it says Customize and Control Google Chrome. Go ahead and left click on that, and then go down and select extensions and just left click on that one time and then select manage extensions. You should see extensions listed on the right panel here. If you have a lot in here, you may want to search the extension field up here to locate the extension you want to remove or delete. And then once you have it in this list down here, go ahead and select the remove button, and then it's going to ask for confirmation to remove that extension. Select remove, and then that's all you have to do. Was it just restarting your browser just to confirm that it has been removed? And that is pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.